Hello everybody, it's Josh from CFT Performance. I just want to do a quick install video showing about our factory replacement elbow for cold air intake. We're going to replace the factory plastic unit. Comes out to about 3 1/4 inches with the big bore 4-inch. With a good factory drop-in filter, it'll actually flow just about the same amount as most of your cold air intakes on the market for a fraction of the price. So it's a good little upgrade, looks good under the hood, so on. And it's a quick, easy install, no modification of any factory parts. So if you ever need to, you could always go back through and change it back out, and it won't void your warranty either. So first things first is you'll get an 8mm out, and you'll undo and loosen up your clamps. I also like to pop off this air sensor here. Then you can go in, take off all this factory equipment here. Once that's done, you go ahead and get your clamps and your 90 boot, get it in place so you can be able to get this all tightened down in a location that's easy to get to then. So we'll get this here. Next, you'll be putting on your other clamps and your reducing boot on your new pipe. And get that all ready to go, so you can put this into place too. Now we'll go ahead and put that over on here, and we'll get this all lined up. Let's go ahead and line this all in and get this part in first, as this is about the hardest part of the install, is getting this boot in place. Let me get up here. Alright, now we'll get that boot in place. We can rotate the clamp around to get where we want to put the clamps at. I like to try to hide them off into the back side a little bit. Now we can go ahead, get this boot installed on here. Then we can go ahead and get our rotation that we need to get done to get this back into the factory spot right there. Let's move this clamp a little bit out of the way, get this rotation a little bit better. There we go. And then that boot is secured all the way down into place. Let's get this rotated a little bit more. There we go, just like that. Now we can put this in place, that in place. Now all you gotta do now is you go ahead and switch out from that 8mm and put 10mm on for these bolts, and we can tighten it all up. This, I'll rotate this guy back this way so we don't see it for a cleaner install. Got our very last one all the way down here. Get that over the lip. There she is. It's all on. Make sure you connect your sensor connector there, put the locking tab in, and you are done. That'd be it. Thank you so much.